In this video, I'm going to be doing another Yesstyle haul unboxing. I ordered it on August 17 and it arrived August 20. I paid 50% with points and commission that I earned from Yesstyle, and the rest I paid with my money. So let's get into it and let's get started. So I would like to start from bigger items, which is sunscreens, of course. Well, I particularly was looking at Kose sunscreens because I already, before I purchased, I tried this Kose Suncut UV Perfect Gel and this one Suncut UV Mild Care Milky Gel. They are similar, what finish they give, but they are different. This one is without alcohol and this one with alcohol. I wanted to know, is it worth it to repurchase, but I still decided to try other kind of Kose sunscreens. This one was Suncut UV Protect Essence SPF 50+, was around $11. It's 80 grams. And as always, it's written everything in Japanese. Many don't know that Japanese skincare products don't have expiration dates. So you need to count, for example, if you bought this in 2021, you need to count approximately 3 years that you need to use it up, so it's going to be good unopened for 3 years. Another Kose sunscreen, Suncut UV Perfect Essence, super waterproof, SPF 50. I got it with some Disney packaging. It was around $12 and it's 60 grams. It's a little bit smaller than this one. I would like to test all of them, and compare them. As far as I read other reviews, that Kose Suncut sunscreens, they give a natural finish, so they don't look too dewy or greasy or anything, so that's why I chose them. Another item that I repurchased second time, it's Sunkiller Perfect Strong Z SPF 50+. It's ISEHAN sunscreen. It's a very small bottle, it's only 30 milliliters, but I love this sunscreen so much and I think I will repurchase it again because it cannot be compared to any other sunscreens that I tried. It really looks like there is nothing on your skin. If you have oily skin, you should try this because it will feel like there is just nothing, zero on your skin, and you can reapply it throughout the day. No problem, and it just will be fine. It doesn't build up. The biggest con of the sunscreen that it smells like alcohol a lot. If you are sensitive to alcohol and if you're breaking out or whatever, just skip it. But for me, this is one of the best sunscreen that I ever tried. It's hybrid SPF, so it means it contains chemical and physical filters at the same time. I wanted to add that 30 milliliters of this sunscreen costs around $9. I almost forgot that I got sponsored product from Yesstyle. It's a Yesstyle influencers sponsorship. So it's a Tia, my signature Vita red sunscreen. So it's basically free for the review, which I need to post on Instagram. This sunscreen is not that bad, but what I don't like is that it contains only PA+++. It means that maybe it's good for winter months in your country or if you stay indoors. This sunscreen is actually fine. Like, I tried it, it's actually fine unless you don't touch your face and unless you don't put a lot of skincare in the morning. Another con of the sunscreen is that I don't like the scent. It's too floral, and if you want to reapply throughout the day, it's not good for me because I just don't like floral scents, and it's pretty strong to my nose. This sunscreen peels a little bit unless you touch your face. When you don't touch your face, it's just fine. I'm also very excited to try Abib brand Quick Sunstick Protection Bar. It's SPF 50+, PA+++. It's 22 grams and it was around $13. Sunsticks, pretty much the same price, unless it's smaller packaging. What I love is that it's always protected. I'm not going to open it right now. I'm just going to finish all of my open SPF before I open new one. But this one, it's going to be very good on the go. And I think it's chemical SPF. There is no physical filters in it. And as far as I read the reviews, that it was pretty good, that it feels like nothing on the skin, and replication is also very good. So I think it's worth to check it out. It's around $13. Another items that I have in my order are pimple patches. This one is the Superstar COSRX Acne Pimple Master Patch. I like this one a lot. I think it was around, for 24 patches, around $3 or $4. You also can buy it together as a bundle with Master Patch, which is was a black packaging. I don't like that one so much as this one, because I feel like that one didn't do much to my pimples. This one is a little bit bigger, and I think it comes in different sizes. So it's hydrocolloid dressing. Another pimple patches that I wanted to try, I actually very excited to try. I already opened it and I tried it. It's the PURITO All Care Recovery Cica-Aid Soothing and Anti-Scar at Once. And it's 51 patches. It has different sizes, so 36, which is 10 milliliters, and 15 pieces of 12 milliliters, and it's also hydrocolloid patches, so it doesn't contain salicylic acid. And what I love is that this little instruction, you know, it's printed on the like gray piece of paper. Yeah, I opened this one before, so it's similar to the COSRX pimple patches as well, the one that is the thinnest, and they kind of like have centered parts, so then they are very sticky to the skin. So even if you apply your skincare and then on the top of your skincare you apply this pimple patch, it's going to work so well. It's not going to slide or wherever while you sleep. It's also, you can use it during the day. Like it's invisible, like literally it's invisible. And I think I'm going to repurchase this again, because this is even better than COSRX. Last items that I got, so this one is the samples. It's actually I'm very surprised that Yesstyle gave some samples. Before I got only like I think one sample after like 3 orders. So this one is Skin 1004. Then COSRX Full Fit Propolis. So I think it contains samples already of the ampoule that I have. So this one, Propolis Synergy Toner, Propolis Light Ampoule, I think this is what I have, and Propolis Light Cream, Propolis Honey and Royal Jelly Extract. I tried the ampoule and it was too hydrating for my skin, that I don't have to apply even my moisturizer on the top. Like it's just amazing, and I think it's around $25 $28. Kang Yule set of samples. I also never tried this brand, so I think it's good to explore. And also how they present the samples, you know, it's very interesting and very exciting as well to use. It's also very minimalistic and attractive packaging. So this is all for my Yesstyle haul, the recent one from August 17 to August 20. So I had some pimple patches, some Sunstick, some sponsored product from Yesstyle influencers, 1 repurchase item, and then 2 new items, some samples. So if you're interested in all those products, I'm going to list them in the description box below so you can check it out. And feel free to use my affiliate link, so I can get some commission if you use those links, and I can in the future invest in other skincare products or sunscreens and review them on my channel, so you can check my reviews out as well. So, and thanks for watching, and I see you in my next videos. And don't forget to subscribe and like my video and turn notification bell so you will see my future uploads. And bye bye.